Okay, that's the thumbnail. So, if you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located at wordly41.gumroad.com. And if you sign up with my Webull link located in the description below, Webull will give you 20 fractional shares once you deposit $100 or more into your account. All links will be in the description below. So, basically today I traded put options, and today I made $652 with 96 cents just trading a couple of SPY put options. And mind you, these are 1 day expiration puts, so I sold out the same day. So basically starting at 1404, so 1404, and mind you, I look at all of my trades on the 30-minute time chart. I was using the I was using at the same time the 4-hour time chart. Basically what, so you guys can understand, right? Basically I was going back and forth between the 4 and 30-minute time chart, and basically I wanted to see, could there be a possibility that SPY could break above the 9-day moving average. But based on yesterday's performance, it was pretty much under the 9-day moving average. And so with that in mind, right, looking into before the market opened, actually you could see that SPY was having trouble breaking above that 9-day moving average. So basically for me, I just waited to see if could possibly SPY have the same trouble of going past the 9-day moving average throughout the day, and that did happen. So basically on the 30-minute time chart, right, I got into my first two put options at 1404. So looking at 1404, and is it this candle or is it this candle right here? So as soon as I saw that, okay, I see that SPY has approached the, I want to sneeze so bad, hold on, it went away. But basically I saw that SPY had approached the 20-day, the 20-day moving average, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna buy my first two put options here. And basically it's just gonna have trouble because you could see that these two candles, 1, 2, had trouble breaking above the 20-day moving average. And so I was like, that's probably gonna be the case again. So I bought 2 call options there, then I bought another 2 call options that same candle at 1413, and then at 1422, that very same candle, I bought another couple of I bought 2 more put options of SPY. Then at 1443, which is the next candle, right? Yeah, so this candle, right, basically I saw that, okay, it's actually broken above, not even broken above, but it broke the previous high of the day of 562. It was now somewhere around 562.87. So I was like, let me just see and wait and see if can SPY break above 562, right? It did not do that. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna buy somewhere around somewhere in the middle of 562. And so at 1446 I bought 2 call options there, right? Then not 2 call options, 2 more put options, right? And then at 1457 I bought another single put option there because my position, if I recall, it was down, I want to say it was down 20%. And so when I saw that my position was down 20%, I was like, okay, let me just buy 1 more put option here. That way, instead of my position being down 20%, it's now down 17 or 16%. And that's what happened, right? And basically I sold out the position at 1556. So basically very close to the closing of the day. And basically yeah, basically I sold out as soon as the market was about to close. And you could basically see that, the candles, or I guess you could say SPY, all of a sudden started going down, right? And I was basically using the 4-hour time chart, because I was like, okay, let me try to analyze the long term of the trend of SPY, right? So I was like, we all know that SPY is in a downtrend. So let me see if, in the past has, SPY been able to break the 9-day moving average. And I was like, okay, it looks like it's had success, but if it goes past the 9-day moving average, right? For example, March 7th, it broke above the 9-day moving average, and then you could see that it just started free falling the next day, right? And then, the next day, March 10th, or I guess you could say, yeah, March 10th, right? You can see that, SPY was below the 9-day moving average for pretty much the whole day. And I was like, okay, it's pretty much going to do the same thing like yesterday. It's probably going to have, it's going to try to attempt to break above the 9-day moving average, but that did not happen. And you can see that this candle, the 16 candle on the 4-hour time chart, tried breaking above the 9-day moving average, but it ultimately failed. So I was like, okay, let me look back on the 30-minute time chart and let me analyze if I can buy, more put options or not. And basically, when I saw it on the 4-hour chart, right, that SPY was, having trouble breaking the 9-day moving average based on the previous candle, the 1330 candle. I was like, okay, I'm safe. I can buy more put options on SPY, because I do know that SPY is just going to have the same problem, trying to go past the 9-day moving average, and it's just going to eventually start going down eventually. So that is how this trade went. It was pretty much an easy trade in a way. I only invested $3,648 with 4 cents into this trade, and I got back $652 with 96 cents. So this trade was kind of like I guess you could say it was a 2-hour trade. Yeah, I guess somewhat a 2-hour trade. So it didn't take up much of my time really. So at the end, basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to trade, right? Because I do know that right now I'm in a SPY trade that, I bet that I think SPY is going to start going up within 30 days. But I only invested close to, I want to say 22 grand into that position. So if it goes to, if it doesn't go to my favor, it's whatever. It's, a bad trade in a way. Everybody makes mistakes. So I'm kind of showing you guys that, my game plan of how I'm, trading overall. So that is pretty much it, like I said. So if you guys want to learn how to, day trade, right? You can purchase my ebook, or you could learn, trading on your own. You could, there's multiple platforms out there that can let you paper trade. And basically paper trading is when you're trading with fake money, but it's like, you get to, learn your setups and whatnot. That way, when you're prepared to actually start trading, you can start trading using your real money. And, you're not putting your real money on the line, knowing that you can make a mistake and then, oh man, I made a mistake and now all my money is gone. So, try your best, right? There's a bunch of platforms out there that will let you paper trade. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll keep you guys updated on that, SPY trade. I know it's down like tremendously now. Pretty much it's down worth the whole position that I invested in. So we'll see what happens. Honestly, I'll update you guys to see what happens with that trade, but I'm pretty sure if I lose, I'll lose, but I can easily recoup that loss easily. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care and bye.